And the big news this morning, the European Union has in fact rejected US President Donald Trump's call against Iran and said that all parties to the landmark 2015 nuclear deal between Iran and the world powers were complying with the agreement. European Union Foreign Policy Chief, Federica Mogherini, said that any issues outside the scope of the nuclear deal should be dealt with in a different forum. She added that the United States has agreed that Iran was in full compliance with the agreement.
It has been a frank, open and in-depth discussion during which we have agreed on the fact that all sides are implementing so far fully the agreement. And I can share with you that the general sense that we shared tonight with the ministers is that with the difficult times we're living in the world of today, with quite a good number of conflicts, crises, and a nuclear threat coming from a different part of the world, the international community cannot afford dismantling an agreement that is working and delivering.